Hi there. We have created an awesome new product for you to help take your business to the next level. This versatile system for informing your clients about their up-and-coming treatment can be used as a website or PDF. We cover before care, aftercare, clients' frequently asked questions, and even have a video demonstrating the treatment. Let's take a look at this awesome and unique product.
Basically, something that you can offer your clients in two ways to help inform them about the before care and after care for their teeth whitening. It'll also explain to them the treatment process so that by the time they come in for their very first appointment, they'll know exactly what's going on and be better prepared for questions. Now, you can use this as either a printable, so you can easily just print it out, or you can use it in a web style display that you can send to your customers either via email, via text, via WhatsApp, and they'll be able to open it and use it like a little website. It's very awesome. Now you'll notice too that everything's editable. You can pop your logo in here, you can change the details. Down further, you'll see there's text. Now any of this text can be edited. You just change it to make it however you want. So I'm going to show you how to publish this as a website. So what you do is you click on share. Okay, so now we're going to click on more. And you'll see that there is some different publishing options here, including website. So we're going to select website. Now there is a drop-down box with some different style presentations. Now the one that I think is the most handy is a single page with a navigation bar. So we'll select that and open website. Now this will take you to the website, and up here is the URL that you'll be able to use and send your customers so that they will get this sort of presentation, which they can use on a mobile device, they can use on a PC, basically anything that supports the web. Now up here you've got all these options, so they can go to FAQs, which will teach them more about anything that they probably want to know about teeth whitening. There is the white diet, aftercare, before the appointment. Now this is a really important one. So you're going to want to make sure that you send this out to your clients before they have a treatment, because there's some pretty important things coming up to the appointment that they need to know. Like for example, it's really important that they don't book the treatment if they've just had a lip tattoo or a piercing of the mouth. It's also really important that they avoid things like brushing roughly before the treatment so they don't get irritation from the gel. So all of that's going to be in here to make sure that your client has the best possible experience from their treatment. As you can see, it looks like a professional website. It's absolutely awesome. Your clients will love it. It'll make your business so much more professional. Now we're just going to go back to Canva, and of course you have a printed option as well, where you can print these out and just hand them out like paper. And you simply do that with the download button. Then you just select PDF print and download. And of course you can also send your clients a PDF version if you prefer not to do it in the website version. And we'll just show you that here. So there is the PDF. Now, all these links are also working in the PDF version. So if you decide to send it to them like that, rather than using the URL, all the links will also work. So there you go. Exciting product, grow your business and look professional for your customers. Have a great day.